yet another 22 F600. And we got another long one, people. This one's gonna be a fun one. Getting an iPack and a switch and go. So with a flatbed and a dumpster. So this had to be pretty fun. And check this out. I don't know if that's brilliant or psycho. Anyway, they were using it, did have a spreader on it. So we're gonna strip all this off and then get our switch and go on. All right, I got a lot done. There wasn't a whole lot to show in the process. Basically nailed on the hitch plate and then set the whole assembly on there. So really not a lot to show. I put 3 side plates on, bolted those in, bolted that on, did my wiring for the remote, ran that through, wired it into the box. Now I'm gonna work on some fenders and the iPack. All right, so we got the fenders done. Those mounted up pretty easy and pretty nice. Got the iPack all mounted up, good to go. Looking pretty decent. Got quite a bit of room back there, looking good. So yeah, this is about as far as I can go until I get the camera. There's gonna be a camera right here on the box, and then of course the one on the back of the hitch plate. So, oh, I didn't show that. I also did the mounted the screen up on top of the dash. So I'll get those cameras mounted, and I have to bounce off it for now because we don't have the cameras, but yeah, I'll get that done and finish this up. All right, so I was going through my drafts and I saw this video and I went ahead and thought I'd update. Customer took the rig and I never saw it again, so I never could finish it up. He installed the cameras himself when they came in, but it turned out good. He got the box and bed and he's happy. So anyway, done.